Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Ife Artistry. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how I achieved these beautiful lips from my former video. If this is what you're interested in, keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put on your post notification, like, comment and share my videos. Okay guys, so I start with outlining her lips. Mind you, before I actually started, my client told me that she wants a full lips. Actually, had it been she didn't tell me I was going to do a full lips on her. Okay, so I'm outlining with a very a dark brown, like not really dark. It's not really dark, but the shade I used was very dark. I don't really know the name of the shade actually. I can recall. So it's from Avour Beauty Cosmetics, their brown shade. I mixed it with an orange shade so that it's not going to be too dark. Like the brown was actually very dark, so I mixed it up so that it's not going to be too dark. Okay, so while outlining the lips, the first thing I have in mind is that you see the place I'm actually working on now, like the V shape or that cupid bow part. I take my time, actually I take my time to carve that place so well. Like that is one of the most important things for me in outlining lips. I try my best to get the shape. Once I get the shape of that place, then every other thing follows. Like, you know, just make sure that when you are outlining, just make sure that the right part, you know, like how it actually goes up is not bigger than the one from the left. The both of them have to be, you know, the same thing. And just, you know, when you are doing that, just have that at the back of your mind to make sure that the outline you are making is seamless. Like my outline, I pay attention to it. You see the way I pay attention to brows? That is actually how I pay attention to outlining lips. Okay, so I'm just going to outline and just keep, you know, going back and forth. Of course, my client demanded for a full lip, like she wants her lips to be bold. I wish I can play the voice, like she made it clear. I want my lips to be big, like that was her words. So I'm just doing my best to, you know, outline, and I was overlining the lips, remember. So, and now if you are looking at the outline I made, like the side I'm going back to now is actually tinier than the other part. So I'm just adding something there to just make sure I get perfectly what I'm looking for. And Faye was not keeping her mouth shut. She was like talking all through. So she was talking all through, but that's by the way. I have to still continue doing what I do best. You know, when I'm doing lips, you can actually talk in a way, like that's not really a problem for me. So far as if I get close to your mouth, you're going to keep your mouth shut, you know. Yeah, so I'm just going through, like making sure that I get the shape. Like the shape matters to me, like getting the shape right matters to me. Like it gives me joy that probably after doing the lips, you look at the shape of the lips, like you got it, like you carved the lips so well. There's nothing happier than that. Like even if you didn't get it well, remember you can still, you know, go back to concealing and, you know, getting everything right. Okay, so moving on, I'm using my brush from Avour Cosmetics to actually blend. Like I'm blending the edges of that lining that I did, the outline. I'm just blending, like, because like anything I put on the lips I blend. Anything I put on the, so that I don't have hash lines at the end of the day, you know. And the lipstick I was going to use is actually matte lipstick though, but so I didn't actually use a lip balm, but the lipstick was not going to crack. I know I'll be using the lipstick, so it's actually very smooth. So I was adding the orange. So I told you guys I mixed the brown with an orange. My client requested for this lips. She said she wanted something nude but a touch of orange and brown, like mixed together. So I'm trying my best to get her request, you know. So I added the orange. I used orange. I mixed orange and brown to get the shade I used in lining, and I added orange back to just, you know, kind of smudge it out, and then I want to have that orange around the brown area. You know, just blend it. Like sometimes, like when I walk, I don't really have reasons why I mix some things that I mix, but probably somehow after mixing it, like they just work out. I don't know, like, you know. So I feel that the shade that, like, the orange was not enough, so I'm going in with more. You know, sometimes it's not, I don't know why, like, I'm talking about me blending, I don't know, honestly. Sometimes I don't just know, my mind will just tell me, like, go with this, like, add this, just put more, like I'll do it. Sometimes actually it flops, sometimes it flops. Yeah, if it flops, I'll know that I didn't get that one. But like sometimes I just go with the flow. I just do whatever that comes to mind, and my mind just asks me to do it, you know, and I do that. So like these lips, like this particular one, I think I started doing it during Xmas. I have not really done it before. So now I'm going in with this lip stain from I can't really remember, I can't recall the name of the brand. I'm going to find out and tag it in my description down below. Okay, so I added the nude. It's just a nude shade. Can't really remember the name of the brand, but it's a new brand I just added to my collection. Okay, so I added the nude shade inside. I can actually use my concealer for this, but the reason why I like this brand, this particular nude shade, is because like it's a bit thick, so like it just holds it holds and it gives me what I want. So once I added that in the center of her lips, and then asked her to smack. She smacked, and then the blending and everything was just so. Can you see that lips? I don't know how I'm just praising my work like this. Who else praise their work? I don't actually praise my work like offline. Don't mind me doing this right now. I don't really like see the beauty of my job. Like I don't know why. I can't be alone in this. Like after working, I look at my job and I'll be like, I don't think I'm getting things right. I'll be thinking, when I look at other makeup artists' job, I feel like they are doing so well and I'm not. So I don't know why that happens to me, honestly. So don't mind me looking at my job and I'm like, oh, can you see that? No, that is not really me outside this, please. So I was done with the blending, and then I was going in with my lip gloss. Honestly, this is just a new brand of lip gloss. I don't know, I am in love with this lip gloss. Like I used to think that just lip gloss is lip gloss. Like people that know me earlier would always hear me say that, like I see lip gloss as lip gloss, but like this lip gloss is not just lip gloss. If you're wearing it, it will be as if you're not wearing something. Like I don't wear makeup, I don't wear glosses, but like for the first time in my life, I took a lip gloss and I keep it at home that I'm using. Like you should know that lip gloss is nice. So I'm actually going to give you guys the name of the brand later, not now, but just know that whenever I tell you guys, oh yeah, that lip gloss I was talking about, stay glued to my channel. I would you know, talk about the brand someday, you know. So I'm still working with the brand for something, so we are going to announce the brand to you guys. Yeah, so I'm glossing the lips, and that is it for that. And then you can see how nice already. Like Faye could not even believe her eyes. She could not believe her eyes. Like the lips is giving, everything is intact, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Like you guys being here actually makes me so happy, so comfortable. You guys should watch out. I'm going to one day beat my face. Like I said, I don't wear makeup at all. I'm going to beat my face one day. You guys should tell me if you want to see me make myself up. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.